Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another review. This time I have a Sephora favorites box, which is this one, and I think this one looks very cute. This is another Give Me Some Nude Lip. They come very often with this box, of course with different products. Usually get 5 or 6 products and one of them is full size. This time looks like we have in this box 2 full-size products. One of them is from Huda Beauty and the other one is from Stila. So the kit, it's $28 and has a value of 72. Looks like this. That's very cute packaging, like a lunch box. Anyway, let's see what's in this one. This time I will try the products and you let me know which color do you like from those. I believe we have 5 products in here. Yeah, we have 5, 2 of them full size, 3 of them deluxe samples. Anyway, this one I think it's worth it, 28, because you get 5 lip products, 2 full sizes, and you get to try something new, of course, if you like the brands and the shades that are coming in the box. So I'm gonna try them and you let me know which color do you like, or which one do you think works for me. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this kit. The first product here, it's from Makeup Forever. Looks like this. And the name of this one, or the shade, it's Artist Liquid Matte in 105. So I'll swatch this on my hand first and then I'll apply this to my lips. Here is the color for Makeup Forever. Let's see how this one looks on me. The formula is very nice, applies very easy. Here is the color of this one. It's not quite the color that I used to wear, so I like the formula for this one, but I'm not a favor of this color. So let's go ahead and see another one, but formula is nice and dries almost instantly. So I would like that one, but in another shade. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a Buxom, and I think this one is in Dolly. I think this one is lip gloss. And as I said, this one is in Dolly. The size is quite big. And let's see the color of this one. Yes, it's a lip gloss. I like to wear Buxom lip glosses alone. And here is the shade of this one. I like the Celeste shade, I love that shade. Another product that applies very easy, and this one smells really nice. I like this one. Looks very natural, I think. Looks like this. It's a very simple color that you can wear every day. So far I like the shade and the formula of this one. And let's see what else we have. We have then a full-size product, which is from Huda Beauty, Liquid Matte, and this one is in the shade, let's see what shade is this one. Full size in Trendsetter or something like that. Here is the product, and let me show you the color of this one first. It's another dark color, probably not my favorite. I don't used to wear browns. So here is the shade of this one. I'm not so sure if I like it or not, because I don't used to wear this color, and I saw there are very few people who look good with a brown color. It's dry already, so dries very fast. It has a nice formula. I'm thinking about this one. And let's see what else we have here. We have two more products. One of them is from Tarte, of course, and this one is Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in Beach Babe. And here is the shade of this one. Let me swatch this. Is this one right here. It's a nice formula. Here is the color of this one, but I cannot say that it has the same pigmentation as the other ones. So this one will remove very easy and very fast from lips. It is a nude color, very simple color, I would say, for everyday wearing. And not my favorite one from this box. And the last one is a stila full size, and this one is in the shade Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Carmello. And here is the shade of this one right here. The formula is very light. And here is the shade of this one. So far I'm not quite a fan of those shades. I prefer something more lighter for a nude color, but those are the shades. I would like the Tarte color, but in another formula. And this one, the stila one, is just okay for me. I like the formula for this one. Dries very fast, applies easy, but probably not the shade that I like. As I said, I like the formula for most of them, but not so much the Tarte one. Which one is my favorite? Probably the Makeup Forever one, and also I like the Buxom lip gloss. Let me know which shade do you like from those. Which one do you think works for me? If you would buy this kit, I was expecting other shades, but to me it seems like they are kind of the same shade in different tones, excepting the Tarte one and the Huda lip gloss. So those are the colors. Here is the kit. It is worth it to try. You might like those shades if you used to wear this type of color. So far this one is $28, and I do recommend this box all the time when they have it on sale, because you get great sizes with few money, I would say, because to buy all of those it's $72. So yeah, I'm glad I tried this one. I will use for sure the Buxom lipstick and the Makeup Forever, the Buxom lip gloss and the Makeup Forever lipstick. Probably I will use the other two also. Not so sure about. We'll see. You let me know which color do you like, would you like to try, and which one do you think works for me. So thank you so much for watching. Was another Sephora favorites kit. I will see you with more Sephora kits, makeup and skincare, who knows, because they come very often with them. Let me know if you like Sephora or if you like Sephora favorites. I will see you soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.